So the other day when I was riding, I noticed when I would switch into a higher gear, I started getting this weird noise. Upon further inspection, I noticed I was getting some chain slap down here. It was like it's hitting those bolts down there beyond my master cylinder. If you see there's some wear, and it would, it would make that sound. And if you can see there, it started to wear a little bit on the frame. First things first, we're going to remove these long bolts that I probably shouldn't have used in the first place. So yeah, you can see there where they kept getting hit by the chain. So we're going to put shorter bolts in there. But before we do that, we're going to file down part of this frame. There, that's a little bit better, a little bit more clearance. We'll do a new bolt and a dab of blue Loctite. Now that that's sorted, I'm gonna retension the chain a little bit. It's a little loosey-goosey. So first, I loosen the axle nut. And you come over here to your adjusters and loosen these things up here. There we go. Same on the other side. And you take that first nut there, and when you tighten it, it tightens the chain, and you'll see the tension get greater on the chain. Now you want to do this equal turns on each side. And when you're tightening these on each side, you want to be sure that your chain is still running straight, right? And once I get the tension adjusted the way I want, spin the wheel, be sure it's running true. Sometimes there's tight spots in the chain, so be mindful of that. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it looks like she's running pretty straight. And when you got it about where you want it, snake that guy back on there and lock your nuts back down. Oop. Nice and tight there so they're against each other. And then don't forget to tighten your axle back up. Then you go take it on a test ride and be sure that chain is tensioned properly and you've got clearance, no more chain slap.